Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So before we get into things, I wanted to share my accessories today. I'm loving these fan earrings. I got them from Loft. I really truly believe that accessories can really add that extra oomph to your outfit, especially if you just are wearing like a t-shirt and jeans. Like adding really fun accessories can really spice up your outfit. Also, I'm loving my top today. I think it's great for summer. It's a tube top. I'm going to pop it up right here. And yeah, it just looks very summery and it kind of makes me look like I have a tan. So that's pretty nice. But anyhow, today I want to share with you guys this fun monochromatic kind of like ultra smoky eye look I got going on. I was really inspired by this picture. I'm going to pop up right here of Taylor Hill. She looked amazing and beautiful. Again, I usually take inspiration and kind of make it my own. I don't really have the same eye shape as a lot of these celebrities. I have monolids. So I take inspiration, I kind of put my own twist and find what works best for me. Yeah, so I used the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette to create this eye look. I actually really like that palette. I got it on heavy discount and I can safely say I've actually used it quite often. I think it's because I like, adding glitter to my everyday eye look whenever I want to, add a little bit extra into my everyday look. And it's also just a great palette for the holidays. So yeah, I used that palette, and I was also inspired by, I keep hearing the whole siren eyes being thrown around. Okay, I'm going to be honest here. I actually don't really know what that means. I was going to do some digging around research, but I never got around to reading the actual article. So I am just going to interpret it as what I know from sirens. I assume it means alluring, kind of seductive eyes. So yeah, I definitely think a smoky eye meets that criteria. So I think this is a great look if you are planning a special night out, or if you can even like scale it down and wear it on an everyday basis. I think everyday smoky eyes look amazing as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look, it's actually not that hard, then stick around and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done. So the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. So I'm going to first take a step that I've been doing, which is taking an angle brush, going in with a shade from this palette. So I'm going to go in with Kohl Under Pressure, and I'm just going to kind of sketch out the angle at which I'm going to be placing the tape. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and place the tape. And then I'm going to first go ahead and apply a base shade of It's Cashmere all over the lids. And then I'm going to start adding some drama to this look by going in with Kohl Under Pressure and just smoking out the outer edges. corners to the half of the lid. I'm actually going with Silver Spoon, like this gunmetal gray shade. And I'm just going to blend these two shades together. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Clutch Your Pearls to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. And this part is totally personal preference, but just because I love a little bit of glitter, I'm going to dip into Diamonds for Breakfast with my finger and just apply that over this gunmetal gray shade that I just prepared. Probably not going to make the biggest difference, but I am going to use my liquid liner, my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lighting pen, and just draw an extended ring. And we're going to go ahead and remove the tape now. And just to make everything a little bit more like interconnected, I'm just going to follow along these lines and bring some of these shades to the lower lash line. So I'm going to mainly go in with Silver Spoon and pull under pressure and apply that to the lower lash line. And now I'm going to go ahead and pop on the falsies. So I'm using my Idole natural lashes, which is my usual favorite. Okay guys, lashes are on. Now I'm just going to go back in and just like fix up any edges, add a bit more smoke into the look because this look is just really dark and smoky. So I just want to make sure that I'm capturing that essence. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to the lower lash line. So I'm using my Lancome Lash Idole. And then now I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. And then I'm going to add my highlighters. And then I'm going to apply some lipstick. So recently I've been doing this thing where I combine different lipsticks together to create a new combination. I think that's what Kylie Jenner used to do when she first started her Kylie lip kit. So who knows, maybe I'm going to be doing something like that. Not really, but yeah. So I've been using my Clinique Bamboo Pink lipstick, and since I went really ham on the eyes, I just want to balance it out with something more subdued for the look. So I'm going to use the Bamboo Pink. And then I layer the Lancome lip gloss over it. Yeah, and it just creates this very subdued glossy finish, and I think it pairs really well with the smoky eye. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Get inspired. I think it's great if you are planning like a night out and you just want to like add some drama to your eye look. And the funny thing is, I almost feel like with smoky eyes, you have more room for error because it's so smoked out. You don't have to like make sure you're shading neatly within the lines, that kind of thing. So in a way, I feel like it's a little bit easier. But yeah, I love to see if you guys get inspired, do your own version of this. And stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.